Hey guys, this is Veronica and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you my new outfits which I recently bought it for summers. As we all know, we have said goodbye to winters and now summers are on the way. So I just bought some of my summer outfits which I'm going to show you today. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So friends, this was the lower which I bought from SHEIN for my summer collection, and the stuff and everything is amazing, and I'll show you in this small clip. This lower is so comfy, so comfortable. You can wear it with your any t-shirt. This is the lower which I bought from SHEIN, and I'm so happy that I choose this one, and I'm going to share the link in the description box. So guys, if you're thinking of buying any lower for summers, because you know jeans is denim and everything is not that much comfortable, so I will recommend you just go for lowers. They are so cool and so sexy, and I'm going to share the link in the description box. So guys, just check my description box for this lower. Get one cute jacket and this cute, high-waist mini skirt, I must say. And then the whole set is so trendy, and I just love this. The best thing about this, outfit is that it is so thin. You can wear it in summers, rainy, and any season, I must say. So, if you like this, if you want to buy this outfit, just check my description box. I just love this outfit. Party wear, but this is not just so casual. You can wear it in parties with a beautiful golden necklace. So this one is my favorite. I just love this one. This is so classy and this is so casual too. I just love this one. And there is one more thing. This is not transparent at all. The stuff is so good, so thin, and at the same time it is opaque totally. So that's why this one is my favorite, as I said. So please, I'm going to share the link of each and every single dress which I wore in my